Hey guys, my name is Dr. Sariki, and I'm part of the Ideal Dental family. And this is Dr. Angel.
Whew, thought I almost lost my crown there. So, Dr. Sariki, what do you have up for us today?
I'm glad you asked, Dr. Angel. Today I'm going to show you guys a couple of ways to pull out a loose baby tooth. Is that really necessary, Dr. Angel?
Yes. Dr. Sariki?
Okay.
Yes.
Option 1 is very simple. All you need are your hands. No extra tools are required or necessary.
Like this, Dr. Sariki?
Whoa, Dr. Angel. Not quite like that. All you need to do is take the teeth and rock it back and forth like a rocking chair and just twist it. Pro tip, you can always use some gauze or a piece of tissue just in case things get a little messy. Option 2, my personal favorite, eat something crunchy, like an apple, or a carrot, or maybe a handful of almonds. Pro tip number 2, you can always visit your local pharmacy and get some numbing cream to numb the area a bit, just in case it gets a little bit sore. Option 3, use a little floss.
Floss?
In between the tooth and the gum line, Dr. Angel.
You're kind of right. You're right.
But most importantly, if that tooth is just too stubborn and it can't come out, you can always visit us at your local Ideal Dentist, and we can help you.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time for all your smile needs.